Hey, what's up, YouTube? How are you today? Happy Friday. Got a couple of packages we're gonna check out, open up. Been watching silver and gold charts lately. They haven't been doing much, just a little up and down. Kind of keeping that 1500 mark for gold. 1750. Kind of got close to 18 today in silver. We'll see what happens next week. I didn't hear of any talks of deals with China or any of that stuff yet. So these are fun. These are fun. Brand new. I knew what these were, so that's why I opened this box first. And bingo bango. Nice 5-stack of those. 2020. Year of the mouse. These are the Pamps. Or not Pamps, sorry, Perth Lunars. I really like the relief on. Oh, this helps. I really like the kernels on the corner. It's a really cool design feature. But so there's that. Checking that out. And this is, I think, nothing too exciting actually. But we're going to open it up with you anyway. Yeah. So, I've been buying these ink, printer ink. It's freaking expensive, as I'm sure you guys know. Anybody that's doing buying and selling or anything like that, shipping's expensive, and I've been buying these. They cost me about $28 instead of going to the store. I think it was like $35 or $40 for just one of these at Walmart. But I was getting these, they're like remanufactured, green cycle, it says. But picked up those, 2 of them for $28 instead of buying like one for $35 at the store. It's crazy. And they last just as long. Those are the XLs. I've got an HP printer. And then for those guys and gals that know me a little bit better, and I'll take some pictures of the 2020 mouse and have those posted. Check it out on Facebook, Instagram, and I'll try and get those posted before I even post this video, so that you can check it all out at the same time. And I was hoping that this was going to be a big box of coins when I first saw it. But actually, it is. It is. Some of you guys know. My girlfriend's car got backed into last week, a couple weeks ago, and so had to get the new taillight. But so there's that. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. We'll see you at the auctions. There's maybe a coin show on Sunday that I'll check out in Massachusetts. Hope you guys stay well. Tell those that you love them. And continue to create great days. Appreciate you guys. Take care.